we're going to take the shuffle embellishment we just learned, where we have the 7th note of the chord, and now we're going to do a little variation on it. As you'll find moving ahead now, all of this becomes variation and embellishment on the bass foundations of what we've already developed with that chord progression and bass line. So from here on out, it just becomes about adding more character, more flavor, more color to our progressions. So we had this progression. With that shuffle using 1, 3, 4, 3. And I asked you to keep your fingers down as you played that, because that's going to be really helpful to develop your left hand. In this variation, I want you to lift your fingers so that we can resound the 5th below. It's going to sound like this. What that's going to do is just offer a little bit of variation, but also open it up for some bass runs like this. So we can see where we're going. But let's go through what this entails. It's not a huge change, but it's worth going in depth to what exactly is happening. So we have our first triplet there, and on the second one we hold down the 3rd finger on the 4th fret like we normally do, but then we lift it up for the 2nd note there. So lift, lift. So can you hear that I'm actually in between each change, I'm lifting up that finger so we can hear the E again on the 4th string. If that's not clear, then you can refer to the tabs for this lesson so that you can see exactly what's going on. The right hand stays exactly the same. We keep that same rhythm. We're just adding in that extra notes. So have a go at this. It shouldn't take you too long to add this to your repertoire of licks and riffs, and then we can move on to the next embellishment.